Why sales forecasting is important for your business? Well, once you do forecasting, you are actually predicting your future. And if it's all about sales, that means you are predicting where your sales will reach after a certain period of time. And once you know that, you can take informed decisions in advance. And you can do a lot of preparation and you can minimize your own risks. So let's understand different scenarios. So if you are a production company or a manufacturing company, it's very important to know that where your sales will reach, because accordingly you can do your production, you can manage your production, and you can control a lot of wastage. You can manage and control your resources, right? So very important for the manufacturing companies if they know that where these sales figures will be after a certain period of time, maybe after 1 year, or maybe immediately after 1 month. So it's important for the manufacturing company. But even if you are not a manufacturing company, it's important for you, even if you are maintaining some kind of inventory or stock, because you know the demand in the future. So accordingly, you can maintain your stock, right? So once you know that your stock is properly maintained, you are not wasting your money. You are not dumping those items into your stock which will not get sold. So every item has some shelf life. Most of the times we keep those items which we are not able to sell on time, and that's a big wastage. Most of the companies lose a lot of money because they are not able to sell those items and they don't know when those items will actually be sold, and it's difficult for them to order and procure such items and maintain adequate volume of each item. So this is important for those companies who are maintaining any kind of inventory, right? So now, if you are not even maintaining stocks, or you're selling any products, or you are even not a manufacturing company, let's assume that you are selling your services. Then why it's important for you? Because if you are selling your services, then it means you are involving human resources. So in service industry, it's very important to understand that how much demand will be there for your services in future, so that you can have the right kind of people in your organization and you can train them in advance, okay? Or you don't have surplus human resources. It's important for the IT companies also, when they know where their demand will come from and how much demand will they have for any particular development or designing services. So it does not matter whether you are a manufacturing company or a trading company or you are in the service sector. Future forecasting is very important, because when you know your sales, you can always control your marketing activities. And let's assume that you already know that a particular product or service will be in high demand in the future. So you'll not have to invest a lot of money for the marketing. Whereas if you have to penetrate into a segment, into a new market segment where your product or service has less demand, you will definitely have to do more marketing efforts, right? You will have to put in more money into marketing. This all is possible only when you know that what will happen in the future. It's very important for businesses at each stage to understand and to, have the future numbers in advance in their hands, so that they can take right decisions at the right time. There could be another possibility. Let's assume that you are selling 25 products in the market, but out of those 25 products, only 5 are the products which are actually generating revenue for your business. So why should you spend, money on those 20 products which are not giving you proper sales? But how would you identify? This is possible only with the help of sales forecasting, because now you would know that which are those 5 products or which are those fast-moving products which will give you more sales and more revenue. So it's important even at this stage when you have multiple products and multiple services, so that you can focus on only those products and services which are profitable and which are not wasting your resources and money. Sales forecasting also helps you understand consumer behavior. It also helps you understand the latest trends. You can forecast where the market will move after a certain period of time, so that you can do, product innovations, you can do changes and advancements in your services, that you are ready to offer the latest and the most advanced products and services to your customers. So sales forecasting saves you money, time, and resources. And when you know what the future holds for you, you can take the right steps in advance and turn everything in your favor.